welcome back to the loulou channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make packages for cafetian squishies or homemade squishies or any squishies you want, and any sticker you just dreamed about it, and to put it and to make from a homemade squishy a real squishy. So yeah, and before we get started with the DIY package video, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, give this video a like if you like it, and yeah, so actually, let's get started. I did my hair too. So if you're wondering, I don't know. So you need like these stickers to put it, like, you know, these cafetian. I'm gonna put it like here, right here, like these cafetian stickers I put on, and that was tears on, I think. And you have these. You can buy any sticker you want, even the sticker they put on the thing. You need for the tag too. It's plus the tag. Like these ribbons, don't have to be two, but one you need. And you need like papers for the tags, because I made 2 squishies today. And yeah, packages don't have to be plastic. I buy everything in 50 cents, like so cheap at Target or everywhere. So yeah, just think, I'm going to be showing you my squishies I made. And I just have it like on these cute pajamas. Okay. So I made today, I can't squish it because like full with paint. Super pretty and cute, like with the glasses. I don't know if you like notice that, but there's like hearts. Like it's a cheap, like how cute is that? And it's like a rainbow. And I made this other one and it's longer. Like this one is a fat, and yeah. And this one has like a singing thing to sing. And I think this one is dry. So I make it a package though. So I did that, and the light is the lighting from the camera was Oh yeah, and you need like your pencils, because we're gonna draw something on the tag. I'm not just gonna leave it white like that. So to start out, our start button is with the tag. Mine is like that big compared to my hand. So I have a hack to like make here a ball. Or you can use a machine. Should have this. And I can draw anything you want on the tag. So I'm gonna draw this tag right here. Mine should look like this. Now I wanna color it. And this is the back. So when you color the tag correctly, as it have to be, it should look like this. All the tags. Now I take one of these, and you wanna put it in like this, and you cut it out, and you have your tag. Thanks for watching, and bye guys.